For today's short story, I'm going to read Goodnight Moon. So why don't we go ahead and start that now. So again, here's the cover of Goodnight Moon, and it's by Margaret Wise Brown, pictures by Clement Hurd. And I'll leave a link for this story in the description down below. In the great green room, there was a telephone and a red balloon and a picture of the cow jumping over the moon, and there were 3 little bears sitting on chairs, and there were 2 little kittens and a pair of mittens, and a little toy house and a young mouse, and a comb and a brush and a bowl full of mush, and a quiet old lady who was whispering, "Hush." Good night, room. Good night, moon. Good night, cow jumping over the moon. Good night, light and the red balloon. Good night, bears. Good night, chairs. Good night, kittens. And good night, mittens. Good night, clocks. And good night, socks. Good night, little house. And good night, mouse. Good night, comb. And good night, brush. Good night, nobody. Good night, mush. And good night to the old lady whispering, "Hush." Good night, stars. Good night, air. Good night, noises everywhere. So that's today's story, and I've been enjoying doing these little short reads to you, and I'm going to keep doing them. That'll do it for today's video, and as always, thank you so much for spending part of your day here with me, and I look forward to seeing you for the next video.